Igire chatweri sana nesa tochokera gachinsa isa tochia bono botukomoro biri Egeikaro ochire asembeo Jumapili gatuchana ko batoko sanga ase obo imebuna nachika gokomanya ali aenekiwe ase Egeikaro Getembe TV njeni gonkoro kwa Cliton Ondigi nganchira bono mbaye libagaba kenibana ase studio lanarko bagoko baigwa amariogi hendo chiko batoko komanya na ria to kwariganretie ase imarogoba ya rero tigancha kebuna botambe kwane okori baiga turaigwa enkwana yae karibu sana hapo kwa mkwani mwancho muligere
Cliton ndetangwa ni mwancho amurire Getembe TV na yole mugwatani Egeikaro ndetukuria lero Jumapili ntanga ngime mutinyo gatatondo cyo mwako yogosu kachimbero sana wenda okwende birundo sana
karibu sana
Biamano Cliton no anya bantu bale kuya koseto bwati bande ni abantu ko kwanera botambe ndoko nyako au jumbe kera eiki ya Egeikaro ndangimbi yabale biamano
karibu sana
nanjitigangire bibageri ko bakwanenda siasa muri omugusi onda siasa utrigerete koru happy new month umwako yokoranga okari kumnyoka wanda mbara wati chi resolution chabo imatano na bora nyore no wati resolution yao ranyora abanta ba uriyo kyabateba nocho ochorengereri ngona na vera resolution ya mubwata sumwako anyway toko bakaribisha bonsi asere Egeikaro kiare
karibu sana and you are looking all good today mwanchumo ligeria Merry Christmas, Happy New Year nigo yenge moisonde harumukata vile mukinyino yogatatu Jumapili ngani mwako kumnyoka kigima sana kulinde karibu sana kuna botambe ende ase mitandao Getembe TV nseme ya Facebook na YouTube twasore live namba yetu siminura ase screen yago gabona boko sangana into birangali asa itogo cyo kwari andi ase ritko lyarero kulinde totaraswa ase nkwana itogo cyo kumurikira ayagenda tano kumusano gotindi ase county ya Nyamira nemona ase bunge ya county yo ase igatia ba MC na bigobora ibwe bunge yo arokana boko bobu ya sama tukabwango egatunya ariko batogo swasi mkwende tigatora tegera robot ruhariganirwa mapema 8 gano muri kito fatgard December kubwatekana Egeikaro biranretwe asentunde ntanganya mwako yega bya bunge mashinani of course bikora gwamo no mo speaker bwe bunge yo mukoro nyatko baga kurusubwa bisi mwishimwa Enoko Kero na nde bikariganirwa bya korekaneta ase ya bisi o MCA we ward area magwawa o MCA Abel Mose ase aba MCA goika mwancho murigeria 15 na babere niko baikirenta ase bikarebyo mbaro bachore tweko babaraiba barabange na boigo bagachora omokonyi mu speaker negati ya baraibande bawo chakogendria ebikarebyo tigatura tegaro robot ro asenchera bika aba MCA 15 na babere korwase county ya Nyamira nigo rero baikirana ase Egeikaro bya punke mashinani ebyo byaragwa no speaker Enoko Kero Egeikaro ebyo byakorekana asabisi yomo MCA umagwawa egotoka ebunge ya North Mugirango
litukolia rero tuansire bisaranso bitu na ende buna mwaligereri into bagaje the kiobis 20 bune bunge ya ito na ende nabo kiobis iki agache twe egepindi keliya eta na kerenge liyo goikero mwana inchi ase obokoreri igo bunge mashinani eto gokora na bonde de gotebange ya ete tikune bunge ya ito 2015 ekaro mheshimiwa Josh Nyamoka lengo mu bunge egakolerwa ali Nyamaya no ya ansete ega etigwa ase assembly igegendo to kore ekera rally ne bunge na benge library egendo gigi ya etiwe ekera asikire recording ikorusigwo ebunge ya eta tokabeko moroberio yoyo bwo kwendera lipunge mashinani aba MCA abaiga wetrase Egeikaro ebyo bya bunge mashinani batebire nigo barache wetia budget yo mwako yo eyo erache gotumeka imeye county ya Nyamira iyo lero tuanse irabuna tuiranire ase ward office ya magwawa na ende ngo eto toli ward chionsi abana inchi baito bacha barale bona togo wetie budget no ene budget ito ya kunyende teli mashinani na abashimwa bons na bali batacha abande basaba libaga no toramo na inde umurobeli tobwate bona yo no yokobeka abantu baitaso bwamo ntoli abeki segi etore abo gokora abantu baitega segera tuli
kintu toji gotangwa gokora ekiagara into togokora iminto sherie twanjerete budget ngo ititore CFSP the county fiscal strategy paper eyingo to table today gonye beka tore na ende gonye etitore ekiagara banainchi bakorwe gasi nonye nigo ebakora obochori ase birogo ao ekero omo MCA umagwagwa umuske Abel Mose aiwa ekerogo kyomokonyi wo muspika unyamira
mugaka ngeresa alfayo wanere majority pieto muske mwagara jingo byo mugakora muske manda marwa nere minority leader yetu aba swat na wote wagaroki banyore getari alafu muske leader musire nere minority wipu yetu
korengana na ba MCA abaiga nigo batebire umuske ena kwokero nere utigarite buna umuspika bwe county ya Nyamira
ebegete okero nero muspika oito we account assembly ya Nyamira
na bangina ntwanje pese gimono aboko nyachaka okorran kubugole kwera nanse kwara lyo marembe igabona toreiga muna bangina muna toreiga abaishimiwa marembe to koralia na bali bande bali nseme yende igabai chaiga tubata no muspika okero rinde Nyamira suke
mweshimiwa Nyabaro na babwate kero agakeonia tugachigo kemenyo kiduga keigira kisi goika kemera ndwagia kia kona omweshimiwa Abel nere tigara tem bono monyene ng'ombe konyao nerigwa atabwati masakara omonyene gaje thakaira omweshimiwa eno kokero tigante benga congratulations
Kingo reporter ya Getembe kurwa igama wawa eyo egotoka imeye bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefa Tigadi Yesemba
Ibono mwancho morigeria there's a lot there yoko kwanda na bego yoko ringo ya senge nchoko ngusanako ya ntakoneti gatura chaka nae aronige gonyara koba kogo tomanya ina as much as kiro monta sensema ya naga saine kwegera obo yana kolengana neri chiko bali bara sensema ya bunge mashinani bali bara sebi karobie bunge ende mpaka ntakwegera nga they are there legally kurende ase wikraboni woko ngusanako igako gendrate. What do you think as sensema ya legislation as a county Nyamira ya ikiraboni
na ngora ngie confusion ile chinsa mchina Nyamira and go expose Nyamira no bora go Nyamira especially in county Nyamira yani obora go county bora kusia bora ya bande orona maseneta baba junda na bande bora geri county assembly na akaro go yigere mono kana na robot go ro ko no gaiga na bibi nyaka go bora ga ko maganto ro chenga aba MCA banyaka ba karansa ba chole umo deputy speaker Orenge Tadis Nyabaro wa mkono speaker wa jana deputy speaker mongao gota goche mbele tunaanza pale Orende korengana ngai kuliana yo ikinangere ngona chukere wosogo chika useki nango ikakeba mwali okikere to se kere kaide kambuga Kisumu igaranya kaba kwanda kingali tangana kigima omusike eno kokero na ruseti kwa bisi achinjera che chindonge na chinjera cyo kwa trichiko na kuikira guchaka mambi kumya torenga ningo kugenda kuba umono galibu county assembly ya Nyamira egati ya Nyabaro nabo igo eno kokero kodinde ripoti ya ndiri nandiringa akara ebikale bigendrete ase county ya Nyamira abagande kumusanana nchira nere ukumusana kugwanzi kogende kwa affect umunyamira n'umunyamira nchira kiara benefit ukumusana kugotara tebwango gosenjira kiara chandika ukumusana kugotara tebwango na goko ligero linande kwa mnakanyoranga muna wantu ligero robot rogotabagiro ya bunge mashinani nsachinde umusikano kokero na yete kutwara karage mapema kanyanga na bera isikumo kongera gochikwa na Nyamira aka gaseti mapema gakora kolengana lichiko ase ali gasete dio speaker wetranga te clerk na bako gasete ataronga ki da yaro mwane Egeikaro ki county assembly go karansa ngotakeri go tukutira legente ngotakeri go diga seti gente in case of anything so arafu bo rinde elina tonyora toko lidengere litukulia ndinga in case of anything obo okona choki no kwa mambye ngai kuratiga baraya babira kunzana na mano turatiga baraya banda bake ngai yoko na choki na kwa mambye kuratiga muske Tadius Nyabaro ngai kuratiga umuske na kokero ngara bona kama na waso kumenya kwane umuske Tadius Nyabaro nigare omwe MCA bwodi ya Ekrenyo tima itinga ekra beta swani ni muna omo speaker na atigete kwa omwe MCA usabe the swani ni muna deputy speaker ekaga tokole bune county ya Nairobi jinga ki Beatrice rachi atigete buna omo speaker omuntu ore tu munga kurusika gatoka speaker tima itiaronga arithmetic tima itiaronga lakini kuruma binali ke era kana clear linga ngita kiro koleka elinde county ya Nyamira era kana ke koleka asko bwa muno ebunge county ya Nyamira
aso ni singa kira kwa sema
I think as a county assembly into kwa the challenges lakini koirana liri boli omentaro ni otota boli a provisionero a deputy speaker na beko act gose members of the county assembly na wako caucus na wako gendeka mkunji abo bagiringa in as much as tuwalire challenge na speaker oyo baminyokiri it is possible a relationship where yarenge cordial between a speaker and a deputy so bamachikoranga mba kogenda na the immediate deputy abe na acting speaker yagera in their own caucusing arrangement by deciding ati katoligie oyo moito ora abe kind of neutral ora akakonye ashikilie the provision yenero bono they must have decided nga nyabarondubi tigara aba acting speaker in the meantime ara akonya ara ashikilie kikae kyo however ekero kuma chikoligere mono a challenge county assemblies all over chikoma chikotwara. There is a county assembly speaker Turkana or resigned. He was due for impeachment. Actually, impeachment here Thursday. I resign on Monday because I show interesting. I can resign because it's all about numbers. I can amuire na nabakorenga kibako kokasiga. It's all about the interest. To go chagua Kenyara. So then the baba deciding tigaba amuenga tigo monda resign mapema. But there is a challenge here. County allocation nto a challenge na chiba sejoma de chia a budget ya county assembly igere go to na county executive but there is a bill in the Senate bonoiga. I think it could be on their final stages tagete korusi koleta autonomy koleta etafauti kati ya county assembly na county executive allocation chiba sechiaba so that county assemblies chia we budget yabo chia we allocation straight from the exchequer chia babera rais for now interference in error because you mundo go prepare budget proposals you go from the executive more in independent clerk here assembly county assembly na ata ke prepare all those things more or less in kikaga the national assembly na senate inse ko banga na error because bono no conversation chikendera to ko machiko yugunga speaker the outgoing speaker gosoyo record chasing nje impeachment yae igako machikobuni kwa usiano ketabwa tene governor usiano nere ba machiko tuaranga teta keiriebebo nende amachikorokana ngane kabwate elements of financial support koseko koligereria this mutual relationship bata keirego tuara nereri when other MCS batari for it ibonere ko machikoreta changamoto onse kolige county chonsi pichi amachiriko tuara impeachment uji tuara impeachment ya very successful egina kimono bako bonia a speaker bako mo accusing you've gone to bed with the omogavana somehow taigo play ball ekaroto tagete ko suguma binto bieto mbirigo chabwa allocation ya delayed gosa allocation to a budget for this chiche county assembly jigocha mwenda mwana cha muino yet into to approve so nkoma chiere koleta a problem naki that relationship yakoba nto bwate intergovernmental act between county government and national government some of them ndire go kayaba so bad pakapata iko iwana yama jikobe challenge again the gigiacha the other day inkwaro che Sakaja and Kenya Power pakamajiko tuare problem we changamoto nene take note nga SNT ngima yama jetiko side with the county government of Nairobi for simple reason Senate gero ko take care the interest of the county assemblies because the county government mbarokana nga bagosire babe kireta kataka segete tatake na binto binde still the sole truth nelinga interest ya county assembly county government chire bestowed go say chiko ba supported go say chire under the care of the Senate so rende na kiako leta lichi ko buneli those amendments siche ko konya controversies buneji
and of course ngwa kwa the mutual relationship as umugavana no speaker Egeikaro gia etaga igaro na tebanga no nyase serikali county ya Kisii umo speaker nkoro kanale bagutoro kwa motobu ya
ole mekutano ne gavana yo
anda ke ngochere ya chabona ya itani kuna deni sia terika ko aba MC ba tend ko imagining emirobiri ya assembly ya ko ba
go feel insecure
kere executive ko sana ne mirimo yabo ngocha ndake ba yora something tura cha sona yora kwandra okungusana ko kandreta se county ya Nyamira so far na kyobo kwaria se bunge bo chiko ba chibo soba
bono chisegi chia Nyamira chirocho taribono chia chaka for the last years kurba bachorgo chia se county government to issues onyoranga there have been 2 unsuccessful impeachments chomo governor and I want to sing let me read from the same script from Morioki abakona ngatiganda kwana because narengererio wango komubwake lakini tigante bego. It's like Speaker Okello is just eating ebibebia Nyamira because of the unsuccessful impeachments that we have been having asense Mary Nyamira. Unabono wesa kuligereria we had issues in Nyamira whereby bakatagora bakegeita bagagat twabate issues chairmen yali sema ya Nyamira, and what this came after batanyoreteri bagario ko impeach
ya MCA bali nyumba cyabo
MCA nare nyumba ya yete bono webori ngaki if we have been having the issue of Kisii all through. When does this county lende kuikelania magenda? Because let me tell you, oseri itakia county assembly, number 1 in a security issue. Number 2, kuikigende kebe renovated, and the governor cannot go to his pocket achikuru receive ebese ni nande chirikia magenda ana chiri kunayaya ntuantumete this and this okuno kole maza magenda in the first place enamba ya kabere MCO na asambere nyumba. Let me ask you, abantu be ward yayi ni anabwate family nagwenta ko kora na ndi haratianga karatia no ne para abwenta kora so sekenda abwenta kora kora no mai bachire batikande bono ne governor. Now they are back to the speaker, they have impeached him. Ekinanki ange quoting a court order arengo say something of that kind. So far we have been having two parliament chair, two sittings. Ntubwate ya almost speaker Nyabaro na ntubwate ya Oyega Enokokero. So where does that leave Nyamira as a county? Number 1, abantu na baba toyero kinga kamkunje ya kando. It is not constitutionally recognized. Then Nyabaro una wototabo tama so resign. Much as you have not heard from the county saying like the seat is declared vacant, it is still like Neroro speaker. We have never seen a sitting MCA becoming a full speaker. The only thing that we have, no more deputy, or you're still an elected MCA. So things like this, how many years to age? I think we have gone even a half of the years before Traika Sobo 27. But we are still fighting up to now. When do they get him again?
Again, don't I talk about telling Nyamira had 20 members of the county assembly that is elected. Of course, Intobwate nominated, but looking at the number. Some people may thinking the number manage easily. It could prove to be so difficult. We've seen it happen. The first speaker of it impeach Peter Kingoina sometimes in 2014. Nehero na baya arenge closely related, or however there was a scandal ya arenge na insurance, something to do with insurance. Abwa say speaker ya arego ikaransa bune a board chair, county assembly service board chair, insurance firm to take care of the members of the county assembly. It came almost immediately. But again, in the close link na usiano ne governor then Nyagarama. E machikoro kananga a relationship weye oko machiko tuara moinamo no ne governor of course ne buate members allied to the governor. Then Goma Gonyore speaker, if you come from a minority party, if I remember well, Kingoina was coming from Wiper after he had vied for a county position. Agacha buno montorabe neutral habitat between the two teams. Ekaracha na bill sikole to the assembly. Akaroka na lendo go side na go chireta bwanga. And that time there was a lot of pressure. I remember members of Amantoba Boletio Gavanenga Kiria Barenga Bange, Babo Chama. There was a lot of pressure, and then the clamor for change. Counting a Kiego Chakorane, County Governor Kiego Jago BF, Chibandera, Nalichi Arengong, a county governors Monongo, Pecorbalchi Bandera, Nabin Tobin. In the melee, Ekamachikorokananga, Egeroko was speaker Nagarukia Machikabanga, the most powerful after the governor. However, there was that link, Nakimoko relating Akimoko in Tamo. Escandabone, Machigo Changa, a governor, Yalikeru, a speaker Yalikeru Abandone governor. Obo Irio, Obotota, Majiro Danga, a governor, a Kisii Teta Gero Connect, very close in a speaker. ekoleta some comfort as members of the county assembly bamajikotebanga no again to get allowance get na api mete no nyeteracha. It is because of the relationship mwanzira was between the governor and speaker moto nyanyaza moto kandamizi. So it is not new, it is not new. No ane gocha the attempts to county chinyinge bara attempted. Even there is a one that came in the county government of Kisii, county assembly of Kisii sometimes back Kerosi Ondigi alenge speaker mega aje atindie sana rakirende I maneuvered it in a way and being politics agateba nkorwani gutole ase nkorwe nyomba ya itongorwani were ayeka musubira
donana goteba. By the way, yani let me tell you, for political issue, for political purpose, corrending our governor, they have a hand. Would they decide say maybe more of a speaker? When I want to look at the Kisii County, we have Chinyo Banchiro Chiro Mobasio, Mugitutu, Ntubuata, Banyaribari, Kwamanya Kwanyoranga for political balancing, Mugavana, Kurbobasi, and such. One of our speaker went to Kwanda somewhere. Like it is something that very systematic. Wanongurware kurwa, ntuwate kurwa. Wono again tikiama chikorokana because now the arrangement of the county, like ngomo speaker Egeikaro, maybe to take care of the interest of Omo governor in where in the assembly. That's what the picture one correct egocha. That's why now having in Nyamira through chibaruwa ni Omo governor mono warenga monto ntoko manyara. So Bahamanya Gocha as a speaker who now is a very close ally okorokana kobanere mono marbaranga tigamba correct kiamu fight as a punishment to give the governor. Yes.
Yatocha sarana as you respond as say ayega abamiroba kwandre kaiga kirotogocha se county ya Nyamira. Now where does this leave the executive sense moya implementation asengen chono ene bunge mashinane bataire nkorosi bare budget yabo Egeikaro bilibika ndata se bunge rie manyire county Nyamira none ga ndata kwana kemiro biro bono kai ba correspond to kero bataita mangana igonsi abe implemented.
Nje I'm to thinking okobrukana kugwe county assembly ngochikole ko make executive be responsible na and bas nyugwa account for whatever they are doing. Ekora onye county assembly na take oversight executive. No botume kibwechi besa. Na kibe goja oversight onye nyene kebagaine. Na egento kene karo kuligereri itangana ke mana mjo kwana nga turabeka abaraya bande ensemo abarabe county ya Nyamira ensemo abana bachumbe na bande. Lakini karo kuligereri nandi kukotaka kwenye extend kwenye na baramu ni wani worde atambare sese giye indirectly basically muna wano mo and unfortunately na beto mo speak okabire county Nyamira almost kecho nyamo ko yoro mo jube bwe ya north mugrango this statement ya komeke mostly ngoro kichirenga na abugate some interest so governor na abugate some issues no mo governor bwe county Nyamira moske amos nyaribo basically gerali omoske mo senator omoske okongo mogeni this statement yangu chero making in a way ngomo chero side na bantu bali ba komo jinga ngo amerere baro mo governor bolende gotiko mo governor semake ese bonege tokorali ngaki county assembly ya Nyamira jibili baro siri jibili jaro sikuru mashinani gwikira bona iga ngaichigo chichiagenda ekilaki kere ngwete ngana wane gigiraki chire ibere Nyamira giraki karo kya mashinani giraki karo kya
ne majority na nacho wale tu mashinani
ne majority ya mashinani nero bono hinde what's happening at the end of the day ekaraba ikaranzire nona allowance ase karaba gusaide bunga mashinani moko bakiria banyo chibezechi na ande na bali bande batali ba mashinani tumatose mujini na bitiji no enara maswali kweboli kwali kile Nyamira kwakwera watoka ngakara machiba bolire niko kwera na maga kwali kile ngabona ogai katika tukanyenga Egeikaro lakini lichibuli na napiria Nyamira mna tote kwa litangani eligocha mambi na rekure direction ngaki after gambero kya ruroko na chakwa go soko chikakwae mambi na lichibuli na next ngiye kole Nyamira na ndai wishing abantu ba Nyamira nkolengera libale oyo takere gosoka kurese county assembly Nyamira soka pia gende no yo takere gotigara tigale eli Nyamira ske myake tigale tebere ne musu na era raka usenga nenya ale gosuka kuchimotwa.
As you respond to that Dennis na ndengwa chika mention ngega ngano nyewe ni bunge nene ne bwate bikarega bikoro kukamukunje bibia nsema but as a county Nyamira the bunge mashinani mbabwate bake mess so how legal it
chimesi bere
bono county yenye ne bwate mess bunge mashinani ne bwate bake mess ya
ndata kota baiga Cliton the truth is a accounting officer we county assembly ne clerk omanyire ole ayolda igaba authority yoko inka expenditure including programs ya mashinani na echichire within. However a county assembly go say tobwate a planning committee more or less yekorunga house business committee nchiro na chire replicated at the county assembly level na chichi go draw the plan ye quarter ki assemblies ye run if at all the assembly sittings chicken rata mashinani nchi achieta kwa approved as a house business committee at the county level then that is an illegality. If a clerk can make such a mistake nenda anza ku approve anza ku akana koru allowances chia bunge mashinani na binto binde without due process get followed, I think he is caught in trouble. However, oba maana mbolinga a problem nero no bill sichita kere ko itiwa finance bill na binto binde. At this point in time, confusion here, something else can happen. Na bato go to more or less like a conundrum. Ntobu the assembly gete ero ekomajigwapia to be extra legal or legal lakini teyo. It could be having could be having majority of the members of the assembly bago side nero. If the clerk is not careful, aligerelinga aba a majority lakini are they following due process? How legal are they in as much as babu the majority? Aba moina in as much as more legal lakini more minority. Whatever you are doing could be legal, but imobuate quorum etakeire eba approval. So in that arrangement, the clerk will decide in kiagora. However, then tobuate a role ya a senate. I think that is where the senator comes in to advise. Egara advising kieta kerego korwa for the purpose of goiti budget county is tall and for the purpose of running programs emeshahara tete na binto binde there could be a window era aba a leeway. My opinion here nga ebinto biare go stall aba both sides ba agiri on a common positioning tikatokole gene gire legal gatokonye in as much as ebinabiro toto na tebanga maambi na litoko nyorumwera ke it is also possible maambi umwera ke okorwewa omondo ndage na meka na appeal
na egento kenna comment ngenga litukolia no mera no menye yomo ase county ya Gurwe county ya Nyamira urenga mosio activist ga bukurigeria mangana iga oraikije bine binge sana ise koti kubwata kana mono bora igwa Nyamira kurwo mugafa na gwika nigata bange sikete bona iga e county ya Nyamira na rerie takeire omo raigwense anyi tuguterare inyore mugafa na gwika ya Makweni omo sikifta kibwana professor na rigetelirwe gochite president Uhuru Kenyatta kamdenga yani county yabone ibwende sieku
yansinyire
kero monda yandeka yansinyire ayora yagikojera atebanga bone gitambugiro tigarite se county Nyamira egine kira jo konya na mo korege kerengel kya nya ko agotanga nekinga ese county Nyamira anye segitiye gochie somo governor nigere so gochie somo speaker nigere gatia ba MCA nigere gatia ba kana na baraibe sona ni baba bande batalibe county ba sona ni me otanga at the end of the day onye kugayana ngoji gochikotoka abantu banyamira ngoji bali gotigara maega and the only solution nelinga umontalire kerengerelinga injira nere e county ya Nyamira era be dissolved
ne kerto kwa na resolution ne bane county ya Meru nero abange mba soki na bagate banga okungusana kuga mwishime mwangazo meto ikire bose bwebunge senate tari rimo tari kabere baterino nyara goboka ko survive okungusana kuri abange bagate banga bona twarasire
there's always a way out of that. Number one, narago ba clerk ya Nyamira narago the new moshahara bwa county assembly members of the county assembly we kamora break this iceberg we kamora break the impasse manya ko by solution otherwise either way it is safe and you can equally consult amanya kiara akore because the moment ya got tene nyanya oro tene yo majority ba ko impeachment next near
the powers jo para ko to manyanga sengencho on whose expense sengencho ibikarebe yo machina like the Egeikaro more recently kinga service mu MCA ora sekerogo abantu abegamba bwate MS they have uniforms ngoikirana bari aba MC bari more than 17 on whose expense ibikarebe bikogenda
bono again to try sako teberagabu but according to the constitution Egeikaro bie bunge nene no ene bunge ye county government ngayibanta korekana it asare gazetted so in terms of legality ndo chenga ali asebale assembly yenyene those might be legal na barabe recognized lakini abandi bakoraka mkunji na yunga ose mujini we don't understand how legal it is but again humanitarian nervous because having another mess, having I don't know whether ngoa gubara allowances ngankuri kuchirenga vairu, so I don't know whose expenses in the first place, kwa sababu aliya separate in the first place according to the constitution. That is illegal.
Aso comment igoro ya kwende samu abatabirigo ya igalikiyo karanze karana gutakaranza gora ngi almost ke eno kokero was trying to pick left lidia rochenga na rocha karanga na bonda chigwa kuchukana ba MCA akikakoka settinga bunge mashindani na beko koleka ndonsi bona ere ni ka setting na bako koleka ndonsi ere ya ni kitu ya soka pro ngaki tara na koleka ese kaunti
bona rochenga this will take place
ngo usa maego range no yangu chichikoni mga
again on the same spirit it can also be gazetted no nyetera ba gazetted one procedure
Tigankore ngota Cliton. And I'm asking, by the way, I don't know, we saw some prayers. I don't know, prayers, did they work? We need to have prayers. Maybe these things are engineered by politics, following those who are the majority and those who are in the minority. Ba MC mbaro wa UPA na abandi be chama ebyama binde. Even the competitors themselves mbabwate a hand in that, because baro bagote maita bantu mbere bonaga bago chagotena when they in campaigning mwaro reki ki happen, they will always use against you, and the governor will stand and say mwaro ga hakuna bandu wani. So I think those in terms of politics, I think in politics to what gari Nyamira, because you remember there was an impeachment. I think they were accusing of the deputy governor, maybe now what okobokase impeachment here. So it's all about politics. Look at the same case in Meru. You know, Meru, it's all about politics. The governor are independent. So being independent means like byama biribire biwate interest yabo, and akenga mbirigo take gosemo governor tarigo take care of the way they are batakire. I love this is Kenya. Lastly ndaka tango tabiga omuntu ondomire ngukoruma ndombe dota banege Cliton omuntu tomoro mamona maite enchiranire some MCAs in this country. I want to say the MCAs in our country that onye mbari kwa green na as a governor. The only thing that they can tell you was saying no speaker, it is all about impeachment, and that's what we are having. So I think it's all about politics in Nyamira, but amasabaringo saba kolegas.
Ntuanjete siasera and political problems, chiko seek for political solutions. Political party chiralia chibuat their own members of the county assembly in Chirich. Nerelie majority go to absolute majority. Nerelie ODM, UPA, igere concussion. More or less azimio ne majority go to a majority. So if when push comes to shove, ego BD political party leaders or how do we call it, secretary generals of those political parties, babarangeli babatainga to the line, work with the governor and the speaker, motagetako chora ntoroche nkoleta mole a problem, a challenge. So ntorara the political will yabana siasa haba gose the owners of the political parties, more or less political party leaders mbaracha. However, from the look of things, the case is still local. Ngera spiral into a bigger problem. Lakini from the look of things, abanainchi bono nkoumia bale. Or better still, obakongu nkoba bole bo affect service delivery. No nega ba never stuck case nyo karabinto very better. And at one point ngoma jogaranga eke koma chikorokane kere more or less planned. Chige county FL to blame monto mo babere batatu. If we hold on with the if toinse kobuata okero kabisa buna speaker ntomanya denga baono egabana tu alego impeach baono taigo sabayo we hold him at the last minute kago chiko taboboka anyorenga budget tabuwati resources injija go tumeka impeachment yeli achete manya koroka nanga baono njalenge ya muhimu perhaps again bateme konye revive. It is all about politics nende korwa segente kitole let solution here politics sort out those problems. Otherwise inko ganda gere beyond okoigwana kobol
omwana siasa na royo monka gete timaiti gose male boy Juma boy isa Juma boy naro na beko nifindira benga whoever
the senior
na kwanza katabanga tabia mbaya ya kisiasa iwezi tibiwa kwa maombi ama kupitia maombi. Hii ni tabia mbaya ya siasa inaendelea asa kaunti ya Nyamira itotaite masapo egento kali oma itemuna bonega literally karto kwa kanisa tu na tukulia kanisa ya lenge na muisoneri tukulia kanisa ya lenge. There's no way karanzo beko bokimemesa umago tabanga kwa jina la Yesu obokimaboche munu mbogocha kuikoteki effort ya kuiroka boko ogaidio bokimobogoche munu. So that's why ngotanga asa Nyamira asinare to gochanda Nyasaye literally sokotera enegento Nyamira esabone ngore majority ya county assembly ya Nyamira ere UPA UPA umurai bwe kiama kia UPA nigarumu gavana bwe county ya Nyamira. I'm trying to imagine onye ibintu bune biko kole kase ebunge nene umurai bwe kiama onye ne kiama kia UDA umoske William Ruto orangelia babwa tadibe kiama kia UDA na ngo state house bakwanirana baru solution umurai bwe kiama kia ODM musikira iro dingo rangelia ba ODM bakwana baru ke solution umurai bwe wipe na ero garos munjika na rangelia ba yochi moina bakoliye bwato mujumbo yomo na era naba ngorege segeko banga ndo gorali nabo na era kurangeli na era yomoe ngiye kora umugava na era taikaransa rengarenga ki enje muno mugava ndo kondi Nyamira nimbwate majority of MCAs bakurukia makiani kya UPA abu abe abwatira na secretary general muske chako baga ko David speaker we county ya Kisii baikaransa ba MCA Nyamira batenga ki taras mabatenga koraiga avoring kimuta kimuta bakonye ndumuna bara bekia makiito yabekia mjeito ngiye kaba into disrepute
nara yumu anchomorere atuganda tekosanga gago twanyara ko batu exhaust amange kurenda ase edageka eme moto ragenda somo tumoko to kurena tosa the weekly review asengencho baba ilikuwa aseme lakini hakusema tikabona turacha sore Dennis in a minute or so what happens okay ndote go predetermine what will be the outcome ase kuna chagwe kina but what will happen in terms of a smooth delivery ya legislation ase county assembly onye mheshimiwa Nyabaro kago chia go step down mheshimiwa Okero kago chikomeke comeback.
There are two options chirali. One, if indeed court yense konyoranga assembly mbu ya impeached procedure nja beta followed akaba impeached with the right procedure bono na anya kominyoka the other levels of course na bakogenda to the highest court to the apex court a guide and maybe attain some orders chokora restrain the new speaker coming on board. I think once Nabeko rule against him and they rule in favor. So either way, never got implications here. Geko rule in his favor, he wasn't properly impeached or the process and the procedures were not followed. I think he'll get back into office. However, the same members of the assembly ba mominyogati na bawoja ko umera no unless ba forge truths by one on a return to work formula ngakiba no magochi ko bwaterana perhaps behind the scenes he could be extending an olive branch gotia sebale ko bate motale wanja tokole gasi yeye omanya te nko ikole kwa bari mosif na bakonyo egente kase geko chia ya jire kete bono go ikora iranake obade abantu baminto baheshimiwa motale wanja tobwaterana bono tosukimoto. That one happens, we only wait and see. However, on the flip side, it was properly impeached, procedures were followed. I think it will open another chapter for the county assembly now, and their procedures in a key speaker got on board. Speaker nye got a work Rubono Chikura, but participate the whole exercise. That one means it happens as if just in case Okero tachieti kominyoka to the apex court because achiku appeal a decision ya bere met.
Rechingo tebanga by the way bono as it maybe tomorrow it will be just a matter of court bono igegen tego chikorigeri it's only the process. That's what I want to know. Taringa sababu kimebi bamu mserekio because we have separation of powers. It's only that in procedure if it's due then Naboko Nyoranga may be away impeached, but if it wasn't due, then speaker will return back. But the problem is, the same guys who are the same guys who impeached you, majority of them, you ask yourself, relationship, unless the remorse that you have talking about eba ona ya ga ndi atokorama endo kende ototo na kwa naga it is UPA and the majority UPA which I think was in part of the Azimio so one governor comes from Azimio I mean the UPA party itself the deputy speaker himself also is within the chama UPA why can't they go why saransata ngaya in fact you know that is distract chairman you know where those issues and after there then let's come as Azimio because I know Azimio takes the majority tokwa na Azimio for the sake of the people of Nyamira in fact Clinton the people bantu bakomia na bantu ba Nyamira unajua mbaranyo na service delivery BI those or whatever so I think for the sake of the people
bararigereria abantu na baraya bonse abachore na abantu for the sake of people let us have a solution
thank you
the fact is Egeikaro speaker get about creative in a way and our speaker bonds is called our speaker bonds ko ba monitoring ya speaker wale ba baire oise ko bugatibu yana bera bete they didn't open the public eye singa but me this best abantu amba campaign figuracy but barochinga significance ye karokeli so that's why now in one way or the other ataka niko kebwato kabwango yakara chikambeni chirinko bachire ena abantu abakachiko ni for lakini nchiro chire figures na ande okobajoko ba figures yo chikambeni yajiga na boko nyoro monta kwa kesabo nga kikiruge kikankiri ndabwato kiraisigo yekonga lakini ndike ntubone ke go chiko rete confusion mono kira mo chiko rete confusion mono whatever ekotira rule mambi etokenga stay orders yo metena chichiko rete confusion mono nchabo from my understanding ekotenga ki ya eso yimwa kora eyo koranye tereni yake bakigina kegendere then gatiga mo mego sininga ki akarto kanye tekina kegendere ningi toko gendere gokoraga nando mate kotite gocha gote kotite kurugendo tasabeti nigo gusaba alise ngorange senior gana mate mono prayers chirichia wasa prayers chirichia wasa bwadanga ki tota tebe stay order kome kurunta liko na prayers chiringa ki mini waire kare stay orders chiganta ko ba implemented igendo kitina jete gendere gokora ayo sabenga stay orders chibaronga omuspiko kero tara dusu mokore rabo mwadenga ntorko murusi bono niki moko kitigara moko korekera mutara murusi oro ande gando gyangi jere karanga ryane kere wananga ki the funny way in one way or the other timma itingo mo deputy governor ko Nyamira Mosque James ndicho kesami era karanga rikia ya karuto kwa na bono iga niki aranga tigo ya Nyamira
again mo deputy tabu ajiga sinane wachagara okotagare ke gabane boy ko gende ne tune yo mo gabana we don't want to be in trouble tuwarori doloba Mr. Esther onse kolengere linga no bwate chinguru chioko genda contrary ne gabana yao then boy ko assessinga e ground yeke ngotacha ground terere ke lutense ko senga you must have assessed yourself kwaligere iri no bwate chinguru get
constitution yetu ne bwate mechando ne gwente kuligirirwa egerenga aba governor aba deputy governor bai wegas there so I don't majority
manchu murigeria tigatura nyarako batoko kenda ase studio akabero mutimo ko musinini aseda ekaya moto kwirana tunyarako batoko so ase segment ya the weekly review asengenjo ODM at 20 na boygo we no longer have na Kenya na Kenya kiaberoro as many years as possible or 20 years or so kurende ntupuate gari enya it's PLP People's Liberation Party mathakarwa nanya tukobaga ko chake kia makiaya na boygo wengi walitarajia konyorumu direction kurwa sababu meta banga baba baba akisema hapo ndo tutaenda but rende tanya tukobaga ko kwana na hata bete he needs more time choko kora consultation ko chikwane kyanga au musimamara achekura go chibosio na ki ora cheko bakoko konye kyama kya ODM to skar mwancho morigeria namba ito siminera kwa screen ya 072644757367 to maybe dangere biaga side to kan to sanga ento chikonya yako bana into ko ya somaga ga to kurana to skare kwena turasike kagetari Getembe
Getembe Television ekionga kyamamugusi Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yega kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom Igeiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania nabo igo chotebereria kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao nabo igo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuari ayechi gauge emeronge tato asa mabati alia ayechi gauge emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross nabo igo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, nabo igo na Green. Obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka. Ayo guchane warrant nabo igo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango. Eduke Igeiga ya Ouru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex niyo mucyo gobusongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekeunga kiamamogusi.
Rigereria karibu sana naenda sensemega ya kabiri y'umurubiri bw'Egeikaro bono the weekly review tonyara kuba tugusangana kurigeria ya nekiwe bono isikoyo rwongorwa gusi twanyara kuba tugusanga mange kurwa sorgongoriga no gusaba kwito ngemerebo nimirimo n'ekikorane rwa senchirengia ase county ya Nyamira na bwo mwanchu murigere Nyamira onyara kuba gakomanya na ariya gendrete kwikira boni gatete tuske bose bono timeti ase togo chakira sengencho engana enene neringa ntwaganyerete enkwana y'umwishimwa baba usigatia bananchi abange mbaganyerete komanyanga mwelekeo ni upi ase kia mageo dem in as much as ukongusana kwa bera se avako kopoke serikali abatariko ni ganya tuko bakago tebanga na gendrete na consultation na disappointed ya bange lakini tena kiura kwandre was that a tactical move?
I think Raila has never disappointed his supporters. Igama tena kia create anxiety by the time mwa toka ngana kwa mtu ya tokanga uri na create anxiety na ndo nani noten kwa na ayo single is kucheza bando because Raila nangu create impression ndenga ki whatever hapo statement ya comment tali yaye ngono ngekiari ngana ata mento kwa na bando bakanga baseme nyenga Raila ndia gotara kutechi counter tanga na gote kwa bora mtsi kwa bando bakata tinde baka chikura ko bolinga to so much solution ndio so in terms of abantu barikaro okako manyire siasa chiara ira mono obanyora ngene ke mabwate again ruteko again tuko mne but in this statement ndio yango akiti ya rero mokonyi bumuga o murai bwenso mukoro musikiri katika chebwa tabanga rero dinga tso na life saving machine ndio murai bwenso musikiri ya muna raira ko mchia asukeika Teniye goli muweze gwende ngamusikiri ya mruto tahiyo so anya na machika na machikoli ke goli to jimana nyanga chipatira ni ya gasha kwa genda ta koruko bwa mono igoro ya Raila gasha kubiko munyene nabo atuganinga yani Raila ngomo chania so esi timu ya Gashagwa usatenga tari go support musikiri ya mruto bono I can guess omuntu kanyerete mone decision ya Raila Odinga ko bonde bwanzi kubwa mukanye bwanzi no musikiri katika Gashagwa na ninga
Kedojo sara Dennis baba obere outkek
he is and he will be two things if happened nkora bekanda mangana somewhere but from the look of things baba is gone. He's gone with Ruto and that arrangement here deliberate. It was something he better discussed mapema totaramanya but AUC elections ega cement relationship and it was planned ya bangire buya kabisa eikera ero kane reason justifiable nga in as much as ye team we yane ngo chakonyete binga ya chira karama nyanga 2-3 things we happened. Number one, looking at the speakers bakuwa natali ososi ngo represent yale the other side okuwa now is the deputy party leader and ali western orole governor ya Busia Otuma Dr. Otuma Paul to abata batega their last statement parting words yale ngenga baba akisema right munaenda right left how high you jump blah blah blah. Those two people among other speakers mbata yanga baba is always right. You need to consult question 1 or option 1 if you want to ask other questions. It gives me an impression that this thing somehow in the boardroom again is done and dusted. Outside here, because of the masses, you play to the gallery because there is a perception you are very set by opposition 2 because one opposition 1 narrow, opposition 2 narrow, team 2 the opposition indicating from the look of things baba taiwo chaze toli ngakitoko kora. Then I listened during the People's Liberation Party launch earlier, more or less rebranding. Ngateka royo ndabuna kuwa net Senator Nyandarua Meto igada wadanga Raila atuambie kama ako huko is with oppressors or is with us. That is a sign of you know, people who are disappointed, they have given up. Bakoga nyire mono bono monto igira dere ngochore sto igochi tokole buna tutaget muhimu mono. Then there was something that happened Secretary General ya UPA Babu ate press the other day bagatanga into bado matiangi toko a presidential candidate to matiangi bona UPA is a sign of indicating inga bahado esabali yoko ruana korugusinto tagete party ya itonero flag bearer matiangi. That one means there is a lot that is unsettled even to nevinge direct, but ultimately Raila Sara Asoe oika ebinto binyagere either way.
And of course one of the dailies na recording ya AK ase amagazeti bagotebanga there is a good deal ya with the struck and especially kaba cemented gari ya sense ya state house kero baba alikuwa aliganirwa fresh from Dubai magati mukireko asoko kwa chikura cha ya Addis Ababa. I think that deal is too good for baba to avoid in as much as 2027 elections is close.
There's an opinion governor ya Moranga ya Bekali Irungu Kangata. It was a choice one ya alikote yabanga. Most of these politicians actually now example kia Samuel Moroto obeirega kwa mojumbe for more than 20 years urwe mfano enga Samuel Moroto ama ete read the mood ye party leader. So you should not take the words ye party leader but read the mood. You should not wait for instructions. So iko kanyanga bono nimeko order iko ko read the mood ye nteke na segete kerochi insa machinani ngakike nteke konkonya namanya waka chisabu chiane na atobwa, but it's all about politics. If you are not politically correct, chances are at that time na obiko ko sambu bwenye walasiko.
So tigante bega na njia on my own opinion almost ke Raila, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga obeire the longest serving opposition leader to Atwalire. But what impresses me about Raila Odinga Nabwa Tenchera, which at the end of the day he must bring a handshake to the government of the day. No, which from Kibaki Nusumkate we had the other time 2007. We have the handshake Uhuru Kenyatta. Now we have William Ruto. So Raila Odinga as Bonoiga is a kingmaker. Whether nakare ballot usitaka hiyo Bonoiga ne rule at a center like Obarayobo ne which go determining where will it go maybe. The only thing that Rigathi Gachagua wrote a possibility, I want to believe that Rigathi Gachagua is just talking out of bitterness. No monto barengene over William Ruto lakini umwakire isko. So in a way it feels the only way he can punish William Ruto is using Raila Odinga. Why am I saying so? We saw the elections last election, that is 2022. About one and just 200,000. I want to tell you, if by any case
Rigathi believes that chikura chichonzo picha ruete Mount Kenya njia ruete kuru igo chiachete kate siovere ile nga chikura chichirabe sarod 4 million taribo bono Rigathi Gachagua manyagoriri yote banga it is just 200 yani nsa comment anke igo ne tabanga nchonsi William Ruto, who was his boss, we shall have punished him. That's why for Rigathi Gachagua it feels like yani omonto bono igo or at a point yoko mokonya go punish the boss who is William Ruto. It's only Raila Amolo Odinga. That's why he's more of talking about Raila Odinga. So buna bono again tawaza banga like komura ibu segare like oxygen machine like bono omonto mubwata actually, and you can tell that inga nomara yoko kunga nere Raila Odinga. So the march akorete support ya mwikiraniali. Then William Ruto maybe can win. So even William Ruto knows that Nabora Nyorenga mlima imeteleza in a way. So the only way to counter the numbers, ara isa kunulizia say the mountain, then is using Raila Odinga, who is a worthy competitor.
As oisiko wake sa oisiko ligero na uyamu skeri katika Gachagua na I think is overflowing his trumpet. Is overpromising mbaka oikire saro chenga obo president wa Tanzania abwatega agochikoyara ligochie sonde bwansi oli bagochikoywa na at the right time and example ngeren ondaru ekiteka munabona igatotabe gosa onyo musani twanjite kabisa gusita gusema kubamba ropa twanjite kabisa tosigete kabisa makubamba atenene as a stage atera for 1 hour nabotoko mwakira chingobi hotel tebja lakini you can imagine makubamba atenene atera for 1 hour mwaka chingobi agendera gotera for 2 hours 3 hours finally gwe kamuri kino nechi bachia mati mwaka kuru stage gora mutayenga gi na aye gwetani ole I can imagine nga omuntu korunga Rigathi Gachagua ngwikara burwa mangana gokwana no embo niga whatever statement ya mega tigoro umuntu gutumika common sense one that is my opinion itiri ya Getembe na bako you can judge itinga umongwano yo is losing it because yatatenga a container nere status Karen nero status na nero Karen ya kwa tebe njiro ibe ya Karen ye bwate in Kenyan shillings a container ya 40 feet ejuma dine rumu yengi ma ebwate chibeza chichire echine chibasiringa Aram nero bone state house ebwate dollars in dollars so
Omoralio toto let me be very honest with you ekeroko and state house bozo mwananje ekeroko mwere state house a perception nere abantu mbaire techinda kiabo kuchikoragera one there is food probably njera way kongo wall affair back na ganto kandora ego because na no murayole tonale tibese chinka ekanto ka deba tabaneka another way nero Gachagua reko
or dish out. That's what he's saying.
He has experience. We'll judge him without the same.
I was saying that I get Karen. Continue. Yes, as a Karen. You continue. You get a wife to make a tag. Okay, get it. I go to 40 feet. 40 feet.
You don't judge what
one of our viewers akogori ngakina manyetenga Raila na Ruto ngama bare kare by the way ya anzete kare sana immediately kuna
you read the mood
immediately kuna Gen Z 25th of June burukaneti you could read the mood Raila aka lose control ya a generation gete ya youngsters akara lose it control akamachikoroka no 34 nendo otari against aka play safe then we had deaths chiabet quarent waroje bintu bya bata Nairobi then all over Kenya the way maandamano ali abata handled njarenge nchirangia na baba tali monto go kire kare bintu biko babo lakini kara roje opportunity like any other politician roje interest ya rango bero job badaist go ikakwana so that time ya rogana denga egente ke baba na Ruto bate bangeti buya mbonyo bara maja bonse and that one has been the plan so the only individual olenge a threat between the two mondoleke ko majikorogano okokuana buya ora represent ya generation Z ekarogana nga Rigathi Gachagua Rigathi akamanya kwenda Mombasa aka address nation after the president address Raila lende na momro mwabo bakaikaranza bakade umuntu goikanda that unity of purpose ekero yabete itike mwegaro interest chiabo chiaro kandi ngabono chabere compromise that unity ekamanya gocha ekinare ko iraneri bono tiganda contribute as ebibe yebwate binto. The truth is abana siasa aba they can easily be bought. Omonto naro mereta matakara igwetenga e container nere rigiji atigire Karen ebinto kanyambira era because no ebinto biko bya 5 years endo kwatumbe ruchiwe for 5 years oyo rusi we enusu ige binto mikatikale to. Truth be told, I mean I've seen Kindiki deputy president go host him kutane menene abando not less than 5,000, you know, huge delegations. What does it mean? Bando mbaiko tumeka mabuta babacha mbaiko na magoro that one takes us back to something else. Influence ya container, influence yo mobuko, influence ya kaguni na batoko kwa na kuzianga omonto yashe na kaiwa kaguni kare ka ona gunite ya vile container Dennis abantu bakwendo tari bantu kwa gento keke na bantu batete maybe igento kichieto maybe
tikatogore ase deke me mamo director na kontenga tumunyoke sana NAC Kenya is new. Okay, na we don't have NAC Kenya PLP ya chire branding matakarua strategy yae abosio bwe chukura chine na 2027 ngakiroche anyebekire sofa
ko yangi rebranding yego cha most recreative ndio ajire kugenda mutu kwa nyaranga tigangora tema kwe bachanga gosegentege kama chikora kananga negenyi yake taringa ne liye tali arengelibe I can imagine just kotabakuwa nenga umonto kurumata karua. It was one of the most respected women leaders to about in the country, but his chances are evading politically. But then they could not temanga ki nanyara kubokia ka influence getega kego. But mind yunga muisonde gosinigoro ekiamekia better branded. A day after, maybe we are the only people talking kwa nero ekiamekia better branded, but maybe are nigga expecting at the end of the day ngoba kile aka wave gete. And bodo kurugaiga ikiamagia DBK karukia betalonchiti Nairobi because no besiba ngo igora omonto iretete limelight kurwali niga kurugo musikiri katika chagu ikiamagia ikigekia but ikigekia madagarwa omonto wane kwa ndo statement ya magati araro niga katika chagu. So at the end of the day a goal yapo ya publicity or publicize ikiamagia ye I think it failed. It was an unstarter, it was a false start.
In my own and honest opinion, Rigiji is trying to look for a platform every now and again. It is also possible. Naboranya container na so gata na binto bike bono na bakonya ku rebrand ebinto ngoraigo DAP bono na Kenya tigatonye change to PLP for him to get an opportunity yokonya ko kuana na wataki president. Timai how far that one will go, but the president responded the other day. Ngada moko ira 4 hours moko nkwanira nje bweka mutalenda tibuya mutaungwa igona amanya te biashara ebyo ko samba abantu ngakibiko chabyaba. But my message neye Rigijira arona kwana alyote banga Gema Ikuyu, Embu, Meru, Akamba. Ya kamajiri kwa ba Embu lakini na Akamba bono. To chama to what the numbers. It is true numbers inchiro bainse waka libo elimo inchiro. But what is the face ya Kenya? Ekaramo waka chikule chu stretch you. It could be tricky konia a message you now. Gozi abantu bande nkolengere bara otherwise nga Kenya yere ono igekale ya Gema yoka because ntobwada na kamatusa na naro it could also be coming another things binto binde na biro mbiche coach. But keen on this moving forward ne linga siasa ya take iro mukondo get amaberera machiko kanye kake ebinto bono konyambira abangeka abantu banzire koranga kumbe party yetu kagerete ngana be flag bearer koruera umuntu tokagerete ngana bako be presidential flag bearer na bako rukorwa talibo of keen interest ntwaro che morara kebaso ga korokana moinalia is also interested ko bolio president perhaps gachi etalia but I'm the face ya Gen Z in chabono mora support so a lot more could be happening moving forward political realignment and rearrangement nagenda so we position towards 2027.
I think on my honest opinion, siasa cha Kenya never something that chigo cha tubo saigo. Never babo watavanga nagenda tukonya ko consult. Already they have a solution. Let's say that. They will have a solution. A deal was sealed kitambo sana. Nilirende that anxiety yakonya create kuchia savanto maybe in the name of reading the moods. But siasa they have chianya go happen coincidentally. Siasa just happened, it is planned. So I think Martha Karua, she's a respected leader in this country, and at some point to approaching andake nabo omorai ka orache maybe a first woman president according to the way we saw her, but rende ora lose that political track to because na renga azimio bono yangonya ko rebrand yare dolo jabara ya bange by the launch of that party. I think our senator was there.
Yeah, Senator was there. I have a challenge with the way into Bigoko. The face ya Jubilee aseme kutana ya kukoliru evere tatu. The face ya Matiangi, as much as I mean, let me be this in my own opinion. Somehow, kuma chikaranga Senator Nyonka kuma we force go chimoinali. Was a party sponsored Matiangi presidency, so to speak. Appears not to be part and parcel ya moina.
So this is 2025. I think a lot will happen by 2026. Already talk about shapata mwelekeo. So ngendonda tebe to tegeramoni kia wanasiasa bako kwana. Aliari serious tari kwana.
Thank you much murigeria tukugwa kirambu ya mana senga nchondo chichida kaibere chitigaretera ge chinsa inye Egeikaro edition ya match se entundega entangani kigima ya bere ngeto bere tugosanga amange tigansome ujumbe yo monto yo mo gaiga onyara ko bakago tumasenga njo it's good na bange bari basanga togatebambia mono na gaiga gotebanga Cliff kurasenseme ya Nyamira gotebanga most leaders from Nyamira county are happy for that. The current happenings in Nyamira is about the interest towards 2027 abatebanga na kigati ya bara ibatare soke gokwandra ega arega bataranga bodi abara yabu ngaigamba manyete nakiga egutumeka sai bunge mashinani etaetiri korenga minute supplementary budget ngakigutumeka sense ya bunge mashinani tiri bodi ya gori kento na gwatogo sanga yo asobo ikeno. Thank you so much Sharon toto nyaingiri na boigo Dennis Orioki HSC. I can see that navigate badge ya gari ya head of state recommendation gari ate abo no mogano we Egeikaro kenga achigo tumanyanga kya nyorete. Thank you so much for your time and boigo sama miyanda kurwa segeta seni kya Getembe FM. Thank you so much Wilfred Matundra promaga yechi camera na rene kechibiche chingo ya chirebuya and of course mo director to Havila Kariri akonya kwanta iguru aso gotoga yenga chiaragire. Thank you tumira na semesa yekionga chinsa inye na abaiga tumira na barabu asumuro birubu Egeikaro ejumapire gochenya sae kawanja.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kuba tukachirangi cha Crown Paints